How you can link your EA account to your Twitch account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how we can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you just have to click on this plus icon, and here in it you have to type the ea.com/twitch linking, and after that you just have to click on the search, and here you have to go in the signing page in the Twitch. Now basically you have to make sure that you are logging into your Twitch account that you want to connect with your EA account, and here you have to simply log in into your account. For that you have to add your username and the password. So once you add it, you just have to log it into your account and you are automatically linked to your EA account. So this is how you can link your EA account to your Twitch account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.